Okay, what's up everybody? Here it is. This is the LED screen that we have here. Now this one is like a tablet. You've got your mile per hour here. You've got your power that says how much power you've got. And if you see right here, you can be connected to the internet. You can tether it right to your phone and then you can go ahead and Bluetooth it. If we go ahead and click or we go ahead and up finger on this, we can do Google Maps, we can do Bluetooth, and then we're on Bluetooth, we can go ahead and click on the music, and then you can just play that, and then you can turn it up and turn it down. And the way that it works, as you can see, you can do up and down right here. Very simple, very easy. And this one, it's very cool because, again, you've got so many different settings right here. You've got your equalizer for your music right here. You could do jazz, pop, classical, whatever it may be. And then to go back, you just hit the back button. You've got auxiliary to where we could do auxiliary in, where we've got our Type-C cable, our USB. We also have over here an auxiliary in, and then again, another USB as well. And we can go right back. And then if you keep hitting back to home essentially, and see you're getting a phone call. And so we can hit the red button to kill the phone call and hang up, or you can answer it. And once again, so many different options that you can use. Your steering wheel here, you've got music again through YouTube there. You've got Google Chrome. You can even search the internet on here. Very easy to use. Once again, this one here, the Renegade Light, safe for wholesale, simple to use, simple to ride, easy to drive, and we've got so many different colors. Check it on out. Really awesome. Give it a thumbs up.